So geometrical principle 14 states the vertical trace of a plane is the line in which the plane meets the vertical plane. So looking here, this is our vertical plane, this wall, this is our horizontal plane, floor. Here is a plane, another plane, and it's intersecting both. So that where it intersects the vertical plane, it creates a vertical trace. And there are a few examples in everyday life there. So if that was a vertical plane, here is a trace that has been created, okay, and like was there along C2, right? And we're going to combine that with the final one, principle 15. The horizontal trace of a plane is a line in which the plane meets the horizontal plane. So once again, all this surface back here, that wall, okay, is our vertical plane. Floor here, the level floor, is our horizontal plane, and here's just an inclined plane. As it runs down and hits the floor or the horizontal plane, that is our horizontal trace. Okay, so technically this is a vertical trace running back. Okay, and inside here in our graphic, we have where this auxiliary plane hits the horizontal plane, that is also a trace which we call the XY line, or X1, Y1 if we're taking auxiliary. Okay, so let's look at both of those in a graphic. Okay, so here we have our vertical plane and our horizontal plane, okay, and they are being intersected by this plane. Okay, this is a simply inclined plane because it is only inclined to one of them. Okay, it is at an angle, okay, to only one of them. It's a simply inclined plane. So here, this edge there that I'm running along, that is, I'll zoom in, that edge, won't highlight on its own, is a vertical plane, and this is a, vertical trace and a horizontal trace. Okay, and get up another plane here. This is an oblique plane, so we have a VT, vertical trace, and a HT, horizontal trace. Okay, so those are two examples. Okay, let's take them into some problems. Okay, sorry, I'll look at this one first. So here we have a cube. It has been cut at an angle there, and it creates this surface. Okay, so this plane that we've created, resting on that surface, so it's resting perfectly on that surface, okay, is creating a trace, VT, vertical trace, HT, horizontal trace. Okay, and back to that house problem. Okay, this is just showing you that the horizontal trace and vertical trace don't always have to join up at the XY line. Okay, so here we have our house and here's our roof. Okay, if we're looking for the VT and HT of that surface there, okay, that is a plane that is resting perfectly on the roof of the house. You can see it's intersecting our vertical plane, and it's also intersecting our horizontal plane. So here, that would be our VT, and this would be our HT. Okay, so a couple of examples of vertical traces and horizontal traces for our final two principles.